The big plate chicken is a classic dish that is irresistible to many people. So how do you cook it conveniently? First, prepare 1 kilogram of chicken chunks, 300 grams of potatoes, and an appropriate amount of green and red peppers and scallion segments. Use 120 grams of Sichuan-style red braising sauce, which is bright red and shiny. Heat the wok and add a generous amount of oil. Fry the chicken pieces and vegetables until golden brown. Then add the remaining oil, the prepared ingredients, and a tablespoon of Sichuan-style braised sauce. Add an appropriate amount of water, and simmer over high heat for 2 minutes until the ingredients are soft and tender. Finally, garnish with a little chopped scallion, cilantro, and white sesame seeds. Now, you can enjoy the classic and delicious dish of big plate chicken. The color is bright, the aroma is fragrant, and it is very easy to make. Do you want to have a try? Authentic Szechuan flavor from Classic Szechuan.